Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm about to do a little vlog today. I'm gonna take y'all with me. I'm going to the ballet under the stars. I never seen a ballet, y'all, but I'm going tonight. We're going to a ballet. I ain't never been to a ballet, but hey, we gotta do some stuff different. It's under the stars, so we're gonna be outside. I'm gonna show y'all what we take for our snacks. If y'all have not subscribed to my channel, what are y'all waiting on? Show your girls some love. Show your girls some love. So of course I got my little cute picnic basket for me and the girls. Ain't nobody going but me and the girls. What that is in there? I ain't never used this basket. I don't know what's in it. I don't think nothing in it though. Yes. Pretty clean. Is that a cricket? I don't know. Piece of paper. Okay. So yeah. It's pretty clean. I ain't gonna have nothing exposed anyway. It's just a picnic basket. But yeah, I just want to show y'all my little cute picnic basket. I'm taking with me. I ain't shake her. Ain't shake her. What's wrong with you? Ain't she cute? Yeah, so we're going, it's gonna be in the lawn. It's gonna be on the lawn, so we're gonna be outside. So I'm about to pack and show y'all my goodies I'm taking for me and the girls. So we got some Ritz Cracker Bites. Put these in here. I got 3 bananas for me and the girls. The boys going too, but they going to the court, so they're not going with us. They're going to be on the other end. We got some raisins, some snackaroos, because it's going to be about 2 hours. I got some popcorn. I'm going to pop that in just a minute, so I'm going to put that in there. And I'm going to take the bag. We got some Oreos, bunch of Zuzus ones, and we got some graham crackers, and a candy apple for my baby. Alrighty, so we got our goodies packed. And also, I'm doing some Spam sandwiches. Just some Spam and cheese. And I'm cooking my mama pork chops. Should be done in a minute. But yeah, we're going to take some Spam sandwiches in case they get hungry in a little 2 hours. And I will show y'all when I get ready. I'll show y'all what I'm wearing. Because your girl I'm about to go catch me a man. You know what I'm saying? It's the plan. Catching a man is the plan. I'm just playing. No, I'm just going to have fun with my girls, y'all. But I'm going to take y'all with me to the ballet. So, see y'all in a bit. So, y'all did the little croissant sandwiches. Toasted the bread or whatever. It's getting toasted. I toasted both sides and then I put the meat in between. So, it's just a Spam sandwich, y'all. A little small Spam sandwich. Something we can snack on while we out there. And we ain't got to spend no money. You know, partying on the budget. Alright, y'all. So y'all, we about to get ready to get out of here. I didn't do anything much to my makeup. I just put on some lip gloss. And I put a little shine on my eyelids. And I thought on some earrings. That's about it. I crinkled my hair. As y'all can see, I washed it and crinkled it. So, And I just got on some blue jeans. And my little shoes. I'll show y'all later what I'm wearing. But yeah, we got to go to the ballet. I'll see y'all in a bit. So we out here, y'all. It's a little pack too. Come on. Get me. Come on, please stop. Get behind. People behind us. Who's this play? Okay, so we almost there, y'all. Show y'all when we get there. Come on, okay, you stop. I won't get on no boat. No, I'm out here fussing at the baby. Sit down. Stop, man.
And this season is a really special season because
oh yeah.
You hit me. You want to jail.
Give me that water out of them.
Yeah. You going to jail.
Over with y'all. So we leaving.
Hey, you stomach at me. You don't let me stomach again.
Let me see that water.
Nobody fat shaming.
It ain't hot out here. It feels so good, y'all.
That's why I chose the perfect time.
I'm just thirsty.
That is heavy. If you hit me, I don't care all of it.
I got it.
If you hit me, you know you're going to jail, right?
Y'all let my old tail.
No, you're not old.
Yes, I am.
But it won't make sense for me to carry all this.
You got the blanket? Okay. No.
I was just carrying on my own chart.
Yeah, no.
If you hit me, you're going to jail.
That was really nice, y'all. No, I know we caught on down in that corner right there. Okay. Be back though.
It's always the old music.
I can make your bed rock.
Dang, they wouldn't even allow me. I got it.
All right, y'all. So we at the Botanical Gardens because the girls gonna worry me to death if I didn't bring them over here. Because they've been wanting to come since we moved down here. So we here. Botanical Gardens. Very pretty. Yeah, they got a party going on over there, baby. Hey, hey. Ooh, Vogue. 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 Get it, get it, get it, get it. Hold on. Wait a minute. Vogue, 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 Vogue. Bam, bam, bam. Y'all. Yeah. Get it, Cookie. Get it, Cookie. So why you gonna try to stop when I put the light on you? Come on, Nana. Do what you doing, Nana. Vogue, 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 Vogue. Yes. That is so pretty. Now that is pretty. Oh, look, y'all. So it's got a little amphitheater. Okay. That is very pretty.
Is that an alligator? What is that shit?
Y'all see it?
Y'all see that?
Hey, woo. Yeah, I see it, baby.
Is that an alligator?
Look like something floating in there. Something swimming.
Like an alligator.
Let's go over there.
Yeah, ducks.
Under the water?
Yeah, the ducks. You don't see them ducks?
They look like they under the water, child.
Yeah, they're not. You don't talk.
Okay.
You show us the seats right here. You should be like a dolphin or something.
Y'all see the Devon Tower?
Thanksgiving.
Mm-hmm.
They put the pumpkins out here and they make a thing.
Oh, they float in the water.
No. They don't
Come on, we can walk down there. They walking. Come on.
Let's go, y'all. Oh, look at the walk. Look at the walk. Don't fall, baby. Don't fall. Hey, I gotta walk too, and I can't focus on both.
Do catwalk. There you go. Bam. Catwalk. Hey, Mr. Ducky. Okay. Made it down in the canal. Whew. I'm tired, baby. Them stairs got me tired. How you get tired going down the stairs? Lord have mercy. Cause she pretty. Y'all see my dog about to be 21. Yeah. My baby about to be 21. Yeah. And my dog right there. Yeah. Look at my dogs. Y'all see my dogs. Look at the duck back there looking at you. Look at the duck. He back there looking at you, girl. Baby, he is watching you. Look. Y'all, I'm about to end this vlog. Thank y'all so much for watching. Again, if y'all have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I love you guys, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.